Hey, what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Ligonier here of the New York Power Couple. How are you on this wonderful Sunday evening? I am super excited. It is the 1st of December and it's about finishing strong. So, what I have for you today is going to help you do just that. So, I want to talk to you more about the Impact Mailing Club. It's an opportunity where you can mail flyers and make money from the comfort of your home. In turn, you will also get leads. And that's the main reason why I joined this company so that I can get leads to mail out to my opportunity. Within this opportunity, you can make a substantial income. I have a lot of colleagues that are doing very well. They're doing this on a full time. I do it on a part time basis, but I mainly use it for the leads that I get. And the leads are people that want a home-based business. So just in time for Christmas. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying this. Just in time for Christmas, you have an opportunity to earn cash and perhaps get the leads that you need to send to your opportunity, to send them your opportunity. So I'm going to explain to you how it works because there's a special promotion going on from now into the 7th. So I want to make sure that you are very, very clear on how this works. You can come in at several levels. So let me show you that right now. All right, so this is how you can come in. You can come in as an emerald level, and the cost is $100. And with that $100, you get a book of stamps and a copy of this letter that you have right here, right? And then you would send the cash to box 1 and box 2. And it shows you exactly what you would send. You would send 65 to cash to box 1, 20 to the second box, and then 15 to the last box. Okay. So what's great about this system is that there's no middleman. The money goes directly to you, and I highly recommend that you put it in one of those express envelopes, and it will be safe. So the next there is the ruby level. So the ruby level is 250, and you would send 4 books of stamps, and then again, 150 to the first box, 50 to the second, and 50 to the third. All right, along with 2 books of stamps each, and it just continues going on. And then at the sapphire level is 500. So out of that 500, you would send 300 to the first box, 100 to the second, 100 to the third, and you would send 4 books of stamps, which would be two stamps each for each. 2 stamps each for the first and the second box. And then the diamond level, which is the best level of all, because of the fact that you invest $2,000. So you would send 1,000 to the first box, 500 to the second, and 500 to the third, along with 3 books to the first, books of stamps, and 2 books of stamps to the second box. And what's awesome about the diamond level is that you have the opportunity to earn on all of these levels. So whatever level that you decide to come in at, that's the only level that you will earn. So let's say that you come in as an emerald. So an emerald, you paid $100, and then you enroll someone that wants to be a ruby, sapphire, or diamond. Well, you won't get the commissions on that level, so it will pass up to your sponsor. So you don't want to miss out on any of the levels. You want to come in as a diamond. So I know $2,000 is a lot, right? I get it, especially around this time of year. So I got some good news for you. So I'm gonna give you some information that I got on an email, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you the right information. That's why I got the email right in front of me. So for this holiday season, first of all, it was extended. The promotion was all it was part mostly in November. The let me see. I think about 2 or 3 weeks in November. I don't remember exactly. But you have the opportunity to go from a sapphire to a diamond um, between today and the 7th. So let me bring that up for you so you know what that is. So instead of coming in as a diamond, paying the $2,000, you can come in as a sapphire. So a sapphire, you pay the $500 and you automatically are bumped up to the diamond status. So when you're at the diamond status, remember, you can get paid on all these levels. Okay, so that's something that you may want to do because of the fact that you can get paid on all the levels and you're only paying $500. Okay, also between December 1st and December 15th, whoever signs up at the emerald level, so here's the emerald level, you'll automatically be upgraded to ruby. So you pay $100, but you won't get paid at the ruby level. You'll get paid, I mean at the emerald level, you'll get paid at the ruby level. So you'll save yourself $150 if you do this now. Okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to make sure that I give you the correct information. So what does that mean for you? What that means for you, you have the opportunity to get more leads, and you have an opportunity to get your flyers out, which I will show you how to do that. Part of the bonus, if you sign up with me, I'll show you how I will set up your cover letter for you, because it's really simple. But I really think that you should have a customized cover letter, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll get that all set up for you. So it is a great opportunity right now, especially during this promo time. You will have resellers' rights to this program. That's what you're actually purchasing. And then you will get access to the leads. You'll get access to all the materials to help you be successful in this program. So it's a great time to do this. Like I said before, you know, upgrade, go as high as you could possibly can. If you can do the diamond level, that is amazing. You're saving $1,500 actually. Instead of paying 2,000, you're only paying 500, and you get paid on all the levels like I showed you. So have an amazing day. If you have any questions, feel free to you can inbox me or leave a comment below this video. I'll be more than happy to walk through the process with you. It's been an amazing journey since I've been involved, and yeah, why not? Let's finish strong together. That's what it's all about. Let's go into 2020 on a high note, on our way up to six figures, because you can do this with this program. And at the same token, you can use the leads for whatever else you want to use for whatever other program you may be promoting. All right. So this is Daria Jackson Legonier from the New York Power Couple signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Peace.